cooling tower. I don't know if you are familiarized in the marinas. When the people put the boat out of the water, usually some captains, some owners say, okay, I want to put my boat out of the water 1 month, but the crew needs to be there, and I need air conditioning. Okay, let me explain before how you connect that one. Let me explain how the cooling tower works. You put the boat out, no? And now you don't have salt water. Okay, I want to use the air conditioning unit with fresh water coming from this tower. The fresh water circulate here, return into the tower, and the tower cool it. How the tower cool it? Look at this. This is a pump, typical raw water pump, no? The raw water pump, the suction is in the middle, suction water from this tank, and send the water at high pressure. And the water enter in the unit, the water circulate through the coil of the condenser, and the water return into the unit. Where should be entering the water when the water return here in those outlets? What is this? Look at this. What is located over there?
Float.
What is located over there?
Like the ones that you have in the...
Okay, the municipal water enter here to fill the tank. When the float close, the water no enter. That's okay? The municipal water enter here, and I fill the tank. Okay, this is the discharge at high pressure, entering in the coil. And from the return of the coil, where is entering here? Remember that the water circulate entering at high pressure from this point, and returning practically with the same pressure. This is why the water return here in the bottom, because enter at high pressure.
That's the return?
That's the return. And this is the suction, pass over there and return here. This is the procedure. This is the return. This is the return. I disconnect here the feeding, and this is the supply. And that's it. I think that is ready. Nice, no? Okay, and I operate the pump. The return is here because the pressure of the return is high pressure, and enter in the pipe in the sensor in the center and goes over there. And here the pipe is divided in 4, and those pipes are micro perforated, and the water goes down for gravity. And with the fan, the water is cooled. You understand? Come on, 1 second. Look at this. This is the return. This is the return. Enter in the center pipe. You see? The center pipe is heavy and goes up. And when the water reach on top, can you go with the check here? How is the situation? You see? The cross is micro perforated, and the water goes down through the cross, and immediately the fan starts, the system starts. You see the water coming down? You see?
Always going to be on the boat a point of connection where they can connect.
Okay, what is the process? That's a great question. I said any code. In that boat, please connect the cooling tower because they need the air conditioner running. Okay, what is the step number 1 when you need to connect this tower in that boat? You need to identify, enter in the boat, identify where is the unit, where is the seacock for that unit, and where is the input of raw water and the output of raw water. And verify what type of fittings you need for your houses. Probably you need 1 day preparing fittings because you need to disconnect the unit over there in the boat and fabricate fittings for that specific boat. When you have ready the fittings, you move the tower close to the boat, you connect the municipal water into the pool, and you do the connection you need verify which window externally in the boat will be open to introduce
The hose.
the hose through that window and enter in the C-cup in the connection. And you isolate the raw water, and now with those two lines coming with fresh water, you connect the input and the output of the condenser coil connected with the tower. And of course, you connect the power here with the power of the marina, and you fill the pool with water of the marina. And periodically, each 2 hours, 3 hours, you pass and verify if the level of water is good. Because normally those towers are running 24 hours continuously because the air condition is running. If you have a pump relay system, right now we are going to talk about the pump relay. It's only one pump for different units. You need to connect those lines in the pump relay system and supply water for the different units. Right now we are going to talk about that. Connect the unit is not easy. What is the most difficult part?
The fittings.
The fittings. Prepare the fittings. What type of fittings are in the, and you need to be careful when you disconnect it that you don't damage. You disconnect, you mark, you label, this is supply, this is the charge, you put on one side, and you connect your new hoses. Because 3 weeks later, you will be the responsible to put back the system again and start the system when the boat is on the water. You understand?
Yeah.
You need to be careful, take pictures, make a drawing. The drawings are very, very important. Ask to the captain, hey captain, I'm going to disconnect this and this. Probably the captain said, no, this one is not the connection for this unit. This one is the connection for that unit. Oh, because in the boat everything is closed and the hoses pass one over the other one and it's easy confused. You need to be 300% sure. I'm going to disconnect this and this. No, my friend. This is the raw water for the water maker. The water for that unit is this and this. Okay? Analyze the system, take your time, prepare the fittings, buy the fittings, install the fitting, verify that you don't have leaks, and start the unit.